standing at the CII Partnership Summit 2025, which is happening in Visakhapatnam. As you all know that the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is also here. Other dignitaries are also attending this event, starting from the Central Ministers to Aviation Minister and the Vice President of India.
Actually, with all the papers, you can do business in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh will be a gateway for investment, and India will be future destination nobody can change. But also,
So it's almost around 8 and it's the end of day 1 of this partnership summit at Vizag, and a lot of MOUs has been signed. Around 100 industrial MOUs have been signed, and the major investments has been proposed by JSW Industrial Park. So tomorrow I'll be going to their industrial site and I'll be showing you what developments are they doing in Andhra Pradesh. So this is JSW's Industrial Park near Visakhapatnam, which is coming on around 1200 acres. And by the way, आज इस पार्क के अंदर भूमि पूजा होने वाला है, रिबन कटिंग होने वाला है, and इसका MOU कल ही साइन हुआ है at the Partnership Summit 2025, which has happened in Visakhapatnam. So I have got myself the CBO of JSW Industrial Park, Mr. Rajaram Pai, sir. Sir, welcome to the channel.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for inviting me, sir, and thank you for allowing me to show my audience that what you are doing in Vizag. And sir, tell us about this industrial park, sir.
So first of all, thank you very much, Rohit, for coming and all the way from Calcutta. I knew that it was all along the East Coast, and you would have had a good scenic ride.
Yes.
So you're standing at a fairly iconic location, and this is located about an hour away from Vizag.
Okay.
Spread over 1166 acres.
Wow.
And as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant site. So there are 4 distinct locations, and 4 different land parcels.
Okay.
We have completed the master planning as we had shared with you, which has used some of the latest urban design principles. And I think one of the greatest things about this park is the easiest connectivity that you can have to a place like Vizag. And today, and as we have seen, Vizag is truly the jewel of the East Coast.
Yes, exactly.
Right? And the Andhra Pradesh government is doing its best to really promote this place. So, talking a little bit about this park, this is a multi-sectoral park.
Okay.
And themed around the latest urban design principles. It's got some of the strongest ESG principles, and the infrastructure that's going to be built is going to be themed. So it is truly a plug and play for any of the companies that want to come in and set it up.
Wow.
Whether it is large size companies or MSMEs, they can come in, and have electricity, water, clean titles, 32-meter roads, easy access. As you can see, this is the national highway just behind us, providing access to the port, to the airport. So we are located very conveniently to the Bhogapuram, the new airport, as well as to the existing one, as well as to the Raipur corridor.
Okay.
So in terms of a location, brilliant location.
Wow.
And this is going to be an integrated development. Integrated because we want to really theme it on walk to work. So we are going to have an industrial development that's happening here. And a little distance away, in one of the plots, we will also be having residential.
Wow.
So which means that people can actually construct houses and then walk all the way to the place of work.
Wonderful, and,
So we
and
really welcome
beautiful
people.
view as well, sir.
Oh yes, indeed. I mean, this is actually very rare, right? To see an industrial park which looks more like, you know, a great place to come in and live
Yes.
than work. But that is essentially what we want to do.
Yes.
Have a really stress-free environment so that people focus on work, have a great work-life balance, and, you know, focus really on things that matter.
Wow.
Right? So that
Wonderful.
is essentially where we are coming from.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing such a great information with us and my audience. And wish you all the very best, sir.
Thank you so much.